Hey guys, this is Monica here and welcome to Monshine World. Now today's video is all about a haul video. It's a USA haul. As you guys know, I've never been to USA. I don't know if you know or not. How can you guys know? But I have quite a few things with me. A bag full of things. Actually, I have never been to USA. It's my friends or relative family members who have been to USA and they got stuff for me. Okay, so without any further talking, let's just jump into the haul and let's see what I got. Okay, the first thing I got is this sweatshirt, and this sweatshirt is from Tommy Hilfiger and I'm in the size medium. It's a basic black color and which has button detailing here. This is how it looks. The material is really soft, and so yeah, I got this sweatshirt. Another thing that I got is this cap. You can see it's a beautiful gray color cap. It has silver detailing, self-detailing, self-design. You can see the material is cotton. Summer is around the corner, so I can pretty much wear it, and yeah, it's cute. Another thing that I got is this pair of jeans. I got two pairs of jeans. One is this dark blue and these are boyfriend jeans. The pair of jeans, they are ribbed from here, which normally all the boyfriend jeans do. And this is how it looks. It's a dark blue color and this is from the brand Hollister. And another jeans is something like this. It has also a ribbed detailing here and at the bottom. This is, I think, not till ankle. This is little above the ankle length, and this is also from Hollister. So these are two pair of jeans that I got and I'm loving it. I cannot wait to wear them. Another thing I got is this pair of boots. These are brown boots. I've been wanting this type of boots since long. But the thing is, in India, I was looking for this type of boots, but I didn't find it. When I went to Europe, I could find one of these, but those were not in brown color. They were in black. So I wanted brown color shoes. So my friend got these for me. They look like this. They have lace detailing and velcro detailing like this here, and this is how they look. They are quite similar to, you can say, cowboy shoes. So this is how they look. All you need to have is a cowboy hat and there you go, you have a swag. So yeah, these are the boots that I got. I don't know how much it retails for. Another thing that I got is from my brother-in-law, and he got this beautiful set of mini perfumes for me, and they are from Clinique. And who doesn't want stuff from Clinique, you know? Unfortunately, I've given away many of them to people. They had 5 miniature into this box, and I've given away 4 of them, I guess. So I only left with one, and this is how it looks. And lovely packaging. So that I got from my brother-in-law. Okay, so another thing that I got is these makeup brushes. They are from the brand called Kela Nature. Okay, and this is how they look. This is a travel bamboo brush set, and another one is specially for eye makeup. This is eye makeup kit brush set, and it has highlighter brush, crease brush, eyeshadow brush, angled brow brush, and eyeliner smudger. And another set is they have a powder brush, a concealer brush, lip brush, eyeshadow brush, and blending brush. So this is pretty much everything that you need while you're traveling. So this is travel friendly, and this retails for $12.99. So another thing that I got is these purple Coach furs, and this is how it looks. It's beautiful purple color, and this is how it looks from inside. It has these sling belt in case you want to hang it on the shoulder, and This is how it looks from inside. It has Kosh written over here and a logo. I hope you can see it. It has golden detailing, and this is what it looks. Moving on to the next item that I got is a Guess watch. This is how the packaging looks. It has a little heart here. It says Guess, and the watch looks something like this. It is beautiful rose gold color. I think my camera cannot pick it up. It's a beautiful rose gold color, and this retails for around 10,000 in Indian rupees. I don't know in dollars, but I'm definitely going to write everything in the description box. So it's a very classy watch you can wear every day. Now moving on to makeup and skincare things. The first thing that I got is this Avon's perfume skin softener, which comes in this little jar. It's orange, peachy orange kind of a jar, which has golden cap, and it's their series Timeless. You can see this is how it looks, and it is 150 ml of products. It smells great. Another thing is also a perfume skin softener from the same brand, Avon. I hope my camera can pick up. And this is also 150 ml of the product. This smells a little different than the other one, but both of them smells really great. So yeah, these two things are from skincare. And then I got this Bath and Body Works Twilight Woods Diamond Shimmer Mist. It's a mist that you sprinkle on your body and your skin glows, you know. You can see the shimmer on your skin. So this is how it looks. It smells really nice. It smells like flowers. They have a few different types in this. You have to just, you know, sprinkle on the body. And can you see the, I don't know, I think my camera cannot pick up, but it actually glows. So you can wear it while going outside. If you're wearing a blackless or if you're wearing off-shoulder t-shirt, you can sprinkle on the skin, and your skin going to glow like anything. And this is best for Valentine's Day parties, so I'm gonna definitely try this. A bunch of nail paints. So I'm gonna one by one show it to you guys. First is from Nails INC or Nails Inc. London. I don't know how they pronounce their names. And this is blue colored nail paint. Actually, it's a clear nail paint which has blue little flowers in it. Other nail polish is also from Nails INC, Nails Inc. London. It is also from Floral Collection, and it has little red colored flowers in it. And the third one is Nails INC London Pop Art, and it has little confetti things. I don't know whether you guys can see or not, but this is how it looks. And the last nail paint that I got is from OPI, and this is a really very beautiful red color, a maroon red color, and I'm in the shade L72. It says OPI red. The packaging is really very chic. It has this matte cap, and this is how it looks. Can't wait to try them. And the last thing that I got in the haul is this MAC lipstick, and it's a normal cardboard packaging which it comes in, and this is how the packaging looks like. I'm in the shade AB3. It is from their Luster series. Cockney. I don't know how to pronounce their name. Okay, and this is how the color looks like. This is beautiful red color. It has slight shimmery tint in it. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Beautiful color, guys. So that was it for the USA haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please comment below and please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can you get to watch more such videos. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Bye bye.